What's going on, BDT crew? Today I'm here to tell you the differences between a plug-and-play ECU and a remote tune. So let's get started. So, what is a remote tune? With a remote tune, you'll be receiving this cable right here. And all we're going to do is going to plug into your OBD2 connector. And this is going to connect to your laptop. From there, I'll log into your laptop and read the stock file of your ECU. From there, we'll flash the tune on and you'll go out and have some fun. Now, let's talk about a plug-and-play ECU. Now, this is what you'll be receiving in the mail, a physical ECU that you're going to plug in just like your OEM ECU. Take out your old one, swap this in, now you got boost. So now you guys are wondering, what is the difference between a plug-and-play and a remote tune? As far as the calibration goes, they're exactly identical. There's no difference in power, there's no difference in crackle pops. Same file, same outcome. The only difference is a plug-and-play ECU, you get to plug it in on your own time frame whenever you want to. Whenever you're ready, the build's ready to go, plug it in and go. With the remote tune, you're gonna have to schedule a time with me and we'll set up and flash the car. So that's really the main difference between a plug-and-play and a remote tune. Alright guys, I hope that clears up all the confusion between the two products. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Until next time guys, stay tuned.